more than what you did last time? Did you study?
Yes, sir. I have gone through the Federal Bank website and some of the relevant issues also.
Good. You are studying which degree?
I'm doing BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Government Engineering College, Thrissur, Kerala.
Okay, good. What is your father?
My father died when I was 9 years old.
Now, what is your mother?
My mother is now a homemaker, but she was running a shop near in my village. Now, a homemaker.
Now she's a. What was the shop she was running?
It was a fancy shop.
Hmm.
Uh, uh,
Fancy goods shop. Fancy goods
fancy
shop.
goods store. Okay.
Very good. Okay. Now, how do you manage for your monthly expenses?
For the monthly expenses, I have two elder brothers, and my first brother is working in Bahrain as a sales executive, and he is the one taking care of my family, meeting all the expenses, and
Oh,
that's
very good. Okay, that's nice. Now, what do you know about? You are an electrical engineer. Which bank do you have an
yes,
account?
a Canara Bank.
Okay. What do you know about banks?
Banks are financial institutions where accept deposit from public and lends money to the users.
Mhm. Good. So, can you please tell me what are the different products of our federal bank?
Different products include a- ATM card, credit card, debit card, and different kinds of accounts and loans.
But for this question, you must tell deposit products like savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, and also demat account, then NRE accounts, then loan accounts for education, housing, agriculture, MSME, and other purposes. And Federal Bank gives loan on digital based on digi loan. They are giving digi loan also. Then Federal Bank also has other digital products like internet banking, WhatsApp banking, mobile banking, and FASTag and other facilities besides the debit and credit cards. And Federal Bank also um, canvasses insurance policies and they do bank assurance also and they give suggestions for investment also, financial advice. Okay,
Okay, sir.
can you try now? Please tell what are the products of Federal Bank?
Products of Federal Bank include various types of accounts, including savings account, current account, fixed deposits, and recurring deposits. They are also providing different kinds of loans, home loans, educational loans, also DG loans, and they are also providing net banking and internet banking facilities, WhatsApp banking also, apart from debit card and credit card, and they are also providing insurance and uh, advices to the investments also.
Did you go through their priority banking services? What is priority banking services? Maybe
Sorry, sir,
you have
I
not
have.
studied that. You have not
Uh,
studied that.
yes,
Priority banking services. You have not studied that. They have never asked this. So far, they have never asked any candidate. But still, you please go through this.
i- is that there in the Federal Bank site?
Yeah, I am showing it to you. Celesta savings
Yes.
account. Celesta savings account. Imperia savings account. Federal Bank concierge services. Wealth management services. Federal Experience Center. like that. So what are they meaning? I mean, they are not very different, except that they are savings accounts wherein some special privileges are given to them, say in the airport
Mm,
and other things. If you go through this, you will know. Exclusive products, lifestyle privileges, priority banking lounges. So just go through that, but mostly they will not ask. Mostly they will not ask. Okay. Now, please tell me what is the tagline of Federal Bank? Hello, hello,
sir.
hello. What is the
Uh,
tagline of Federal Bank?
Perfect banking partner.
Good. Um, what is the job responsibilities of a bank clerk?
The first responsibility is that they need to handle the customers. They need to welcome the customers with the pleasant smile, and the clerks need to find the problem of the customers and they need to solve that. They need to be actively present and actively participate in their problem, and the clerk should uh, know how to handle all those critical situations and the problem solving related issues of the customers. They also needed to play team leaders, also they are needed to play as a team, and they need to have that responsibilities as a team member. Also, uh, as a clerk, they need to do they will be needed to do other responsibilities preferred by the manager or some superior officers. Their clerks are needed to obey that, and then they will be having an opportunity to grow their career in federal bank.
See, actually, don't call it problems. The clerks have to receive the customers with a smile and attend to the needs of the customers.
Okay.
Everybody is not posing a problem. They have a need. That is what you are solving.
Okay.
Somebody wants cash, somebody wants passbook entry, somebody wants debit card, somebody wants to know whether his check has been paid, some such things. So it is only a need of the customer.
Okay.
Now, please tell me the job role of a bank clerk in Malayalam.
Malayalam.
What happened? Why are you
ഒരു
taking
ബാ
so much time?
ഓക്കെ സോറി സർ.
Mm.
ഒരു ബാങ്ക് ക്ലർക്കിന്റെ റെസ്പോൺസിബിലിറ്റീസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, ആദ്യമായി കസ്റ്റമർ സർവീസ് ആണ്, കസ്റ്റമർ ഹാൻഡ്ലിംഗ് ആണ്. കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ് വരുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ചിരിയോടുകൂടെ അവരെ സ്വീകരിക്കാനും അവരുടെ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും അവർക്ക് എന്താണ് വേണ്ടതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കി അത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക, അതിനൊരു സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടെത്തി കൊടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ജോലി ഒരു ക്ലർക്കിൻ്റെത്. കൂടാതെ ബാങ്കിലെ വേറെ പല ജോലികളും മാനേജർമാരും സുപ്പീരിയർ ഓഫീസേഴ്സും പറയുന്നത് അനുസരിച്ച് ചെയ്യാനും ഒരു ക്ലർക്കിന് കടമയുണ്ട്. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് പ്രധാനമായിട്ടുള്ള കടമകൾ.
Good, very good, very good. You told very nicely Prathanam. Prathanam means
ആ
main responsibilities. Good, good, very nice. So, can you please tell me um, what do you know about the functions of a Reserve Bank of India?
Monetary of note issue. RBI is the only one bank who is responsible for issuing the note, and it's a custodian of foreign goods and services, and it's a bank for banks, gives advices to the government and also to the banks, and it handles the economy of the country when anything bad happens in the economy.
No, no, but I think this one you could have told better. Why do you
Uh,
start with notice? Simply, no, no, you should tell like this. Reserve Bank is bankers to banker. Bankers to government. Reserve Bank is the note issuing authority. And next point you said wrongly. Foreign exchange goods and services. No, no, no. You should tell controller of foreign exchange because through RBI only all the foreign exchange transactions are taking place and they only maintain the foreign exchange reserves. RBI is the monetary policy authority regulating repo rate and other rates. Can you please repeat in Tamil, sorry, in Malayalam?
RBI റിസർവ് ബാങ്ക് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഫങ്ഷൻസ്. RBI പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ബാങ്കായിട്ടാണ്. RBI ബാക്കി ബാങ്കുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ട നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും അഡ്വൈസസും കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഓൾസോ RBI ഗവൺമെന്റിനും കൂടാതെ ഗവൺമെന്റ് അതോറിറ്റീസിനും വേണ്ട നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കാര്യങ്ങളും ഈ മോണിറ്ററി പോളിസിയായി പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതെല്ലാം കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ RBI is controlling monetary policies. Sorry, sir.
No, I think you are not able to tell this in Malayalam. You tell it in English.
Okay. RBI is known as the bankers' bank. It is a monopoly of uh, note issue, and it is providing advices to the governments and government authorities regarding monetary issues, and it is controlling monetary policies and the repo rate of the country. Also, RBI is the controller of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange happens only through RBI.
No, you don't. Where did you study monopoly of bank issue? I think in some books it has been written so, but don't tell the monopoly. Monopoly, don't. Of course, only RBI is permitted to issue. Nobody else can issue notes. But simply say RBI is the note issuing authority.
Okay.
Except, of course, if they ask you again, you can tell accepting 1 rupee note which is issued by the government.
Okay.
Very good. Nice. You told nicely. Please tell me something about non-resident accounts.
Mainly, there are 3 types of non-resident accounts: NRE, which means non-resident external account, and NRO, non-resident ordinary account, and FCNR, which is fixed currency non-residential account. NRE account is uh, is created by NRI people, and the transaction within the foreign countries and within the within the territory of India is happened in NRE account, whereas in NRO account, uh, transactions outside the country, that is India, is not permittable. And uh, also both all these 3 accounts are handled by NRI peoples, that is people residing outside the country. And for FCNR, it's a fixed deposit scheme, like a fixed deposit, and the NRI people can deposit their money in this FCNR account, and they will not be charged any taxes, and they can make their money secure. Also, for NRO, um, there is a like a demerit of tax. NRI account is having taxes, whereas NRE and FCNR accounts are exempt of taxes.
See, actually, while telling you made some mistake. Like instead of telling NRE, you told NRO. So you just
Um,
segregate separately like this. Non-resident accounts are of 3 types. One is non-resident ordinary, non-resident external, FCNRD accounts. An Indian citizen who is having an account when he goes abroad, the account will be converted to NRO. In this account, local credits are permitted and the money can be drawn in rupees. These amounts available here are not eligible for repatriation abroad or being sent abroad. Next account is non-resident external account, wherein all the remittances will have to be only in terms of foreign exchange. That is dollars in rupees or dollars in Czech or pound sterling in currency or pound sterling in check form. The money available in our NRE account is eligible for repatriation abroad. The account is not taxed, whereas NRO account is taxed. FCNRD is a fixed deposit account maintained in dollar, pound sterling, and Japanese yen and euro. And here the exchange fluctuation risk is avoided. Okay. The money is eligible for repatriating abroad without any exchange fluctuations. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell that because you are a sister of a non-resident, so you must know that correctly.
Okay.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what are the problems that are faced by banks nowadays?
Nowadays, inflation is a major issue faced by these banking sectors. Due to this inflation means um, rise of price in goods and services, and due to these reasons, they need to increase the bank rate of the banks. uh, in such a situation, the people will not be that efficient to take loans from the banks, and in such a situation, the banking facilities may slow down. That is the major issue I think is prominent now.
No, no, you must tell like this. Banks face competition among themselves. Banks face competition from non-banking finance companies and neo banks also, that is payment banks. Banks are also facing problem in say technological advancement. Some staff members, the customers are not familiar with the usage of technology, so the spread of it cannot be done fast manner. And banks are also facing problem of recovering loans in the form of NPAs. However, now it is said that it has been brought down. Banks are making profit. Federal Bank has also made a profit of 804 crore in the last quarter. So, like that, you should try to enjoy and speak. Mansalaya,
Okay, Manslai sir.
Mansalaya.
No need of adding this inflation and all these
No,
issues.
no, inflation will not come. Inflation is not a problem for us. Of course, you can narrate it that way because of the increase in interest rate. People borrowing loans from bank has come down. That you can say. But
Mm,
normally we don't call
yeah.
it as a problem. Inflation is a universal, I mean, it's a national problem, not only for banks. But if
Yes.
at all you want to tell it, you can tell it in the end, but not required, not
Okay.
much. Very good. You told this question, not bad, but still it can be improved. Yeah. Now, Federal Bank. Please tell me about what is the deposit and advances of Federal Bank as on 31st December.
Okay, sir. Federal Bank is having a deposit of 2 lakh crores and advances of 1.71 lakh crores and a net profit of 803.61 crores.
Good. Very good, very good, very good, very happy. Now, please tell me how many happy customers are there with us?
Almost 15 lakhs, sir.
No, I think you have not studied this.
Okay.
1 crore
But
60,
I have seen that in the website.
1
I don't.
crore 65 lakhs, something.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello. Yes, sir.
1 crore 65 lakhs or so.
Okay.
No, you should go through that 1 minute. Just a minute, I have forgotten.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay.
So you please go see that also. You know what is Mahila Mitra Plus?
Mahila Mitra Plus.
Hmm.
I don't know, sir, but I
Here
will
it is.
work on it.
It is here given here.
Are you present? Okay.
Mahila Mitra Plus.
Oh,
Okay, please go through
yes,
that.
sir.
Very good. Now, next point is, mm, are you very keen on joining in Federal Bank, or will you be going for post graduation?
Yes, sir. I'm truly willing to be a part of this federal bank, and I don't have uh, post graduation plans because even after taking post graduation, there are still less career opportunities in this electrical field, and I'm joining a federal bank as a clerk now. Even though I'm joining as a clerk, I think I am having a great opportunity and a great atmosphere to improve my career as well as my abilities, and I can be grow in this in your institution. Hence, I am truly willing to join in your federal bank and not don't have any future higher studies plans.
Oh, you are repeating the same point. You told initially you are not having plans, and again towards the
Oh,
end also you are repeating it. It becomes a very lengthy answer. Be careful. Okay, very good. Nice. You told very nicely. Best wishes. And do you have any doubts or questions in your mind?
um, yes, sir. If they ask you what are your career goals, how can
Hmm.
I answer
Now,
that?
you say now that there are not sufficient job opportunities in my field, I am interested in joining Federal Bank and making banking as my career
Okay.
and rise up in ladder, rise up in career.
Okay.
Okay. And they can also ask you some Kerala news, like say, who is Kerala Chief Minister, Kerala
Uh,
Finance Minister, Kerala Electricity Minister. What are the recent changes in electricity charges, if any? And what is Kerala budget? What is union budget? Then tell about famous women businessmen, women politicians, like that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Can you name
Uh,
famous businessmen in from Kerala? Businesswoman from Kerala.
business woman.
I think that
And
Falguni Nair is she from Kerala or from somehow Bombay? Naika. There is a company known as Naika.
yes, sir. That I know.
Um, you
Like,
please study. You do one thing. Go to Google and search famous businesswoman from Kerala. You try to know about that also.
okay,
Very good.
okay,
Best wishes. God bless you.
okay, sir.
I am switching off the recording.
Sir, can you tell me in what field I should concentrate